but I'll make it. She don't wanna know now she's sick.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before getting to that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this wig. This wig is from Atina hair company. I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to lay the lace of this wig, because it comes with a very beautiful clear lace. And I did not use got to be glued. I used the beard head spray. I saw it on my friend Chidi Loves Use video, and I decided to try it, and I absolutely love it. So this is a clear lace, as you guys can see, and they also have other options. They have the sheer lace and the brown lace, which I'm gonna show you guys close. I'm gonna show you guys so you guys will see it closely. So the wig came in straight, so I transformed it to a coily wig. Maybe if you wear it straight and the next time you want to wear it, you want to wear a coily wig, you can just pour water on it. You can apply a little bit of conditioner and then pour water on it. As you pour water, you just comb it out with your fingers, and it's gonna give you this coily wetty look like so. And I'm absolutely loving it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, sharing, and let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. And this is the wig. You guys can see my fingers are running through it. It's very soft. So these are what the lace, the spare lace that came with the wig looks like. We have the sheer and the brown lace. That's the sheer lace, and the other one is the brown lace. So that's the brown lace and then the sheer lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this beard head spray. Then I'll tie a scarf on it to leave it to dry for like 5 minutes. And I'll take the scarf off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So after cutting out the spare lace, I'm just going to comb the wig. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner. And then I'll be applying my hair serum because I'm going to be using heat on it. So I'm going to use this edge tamer to just lay the front of the wig a little bit, and then I'll use my hot comb to comb it out. And this is what it looks like so far. You can see that the pattern looks so natural. So right here I just want to bring out a little bit of hair on the side of the wig. I don't want to do like I don't want to lay the baby hairs in front of my hair. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of water on the hair, and then I'm gonna comb it out with my fingers because I'm just going for a coily look at this point. As you guys can see, the straight hair is actually turning into a coily wig. You guys can see the difference, that one side of the wig is coily and the other side is still straight. So you can wear this wig both ways. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And this is the final look, guys. You guys can see that this wig turned from a straight wig to a coily wig, and it looks so beautiful. I really love this. That's what it's going to be for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you all. Bye.